In today's Edge Date, I'm making breakfast for Olga. She brings a surprise ingredient I have to use and picks the only knife I'm allowed to cook with from my wall of 70 plus blades. Then we eat, talk, and I fire off my 5 signature Edge Date questions. Stick around, because the only way to know if this video is a waste of your time is to watch it until the end. Chef enthusiast. Chef enthusiast. Today's Edge Date guest is Olga Kochak, the definition of a power lady. I know her as my boxing teacher at the gym, but she also owns her own gym, OK Studio. She owns 2 beauty salons.
You can always go there and explore how beautiful you are.
She just published a children's book that she wrote.
For kids between 6 and 12 years old. It's just a way to explain kids the real life is better than digital. Nowadays we see a lot of kids, they play computers, games, and all day on that. You agree with us. I want all kids stay healthy, going outside, playing with the friends, doing real sport.
No Wi-Fi, better connection.
This is all about it, by the way.
She does a lot of long distance running and started her own running group.
I like to run. I feel my body. I probably can have all answers on my questions. That's the perfect.
She plays basketball every weekend with her women's team and actually has a master degree in shooting hoops.
I'm a centrum. I'm always under the basket. Always a little bit fight, so I have to be really prepared to catch the ball. I have my horse already for 4 years. He is from Spain. His name Mirlo. Very beautiful. I have to be there for him almost every day. I train him. So we do go for endurance game on a horse. It's a kind of...
You're going to be on the Olympics or?
Yeah, you never know. After this breakfast, I think it's possible.
Breakfast for Olympians? More like rich oligarchs.
He's strong. Yeah, but I have to train him every day, so... Everybody who is around me should be fit. That's the idea.
That much I... She's a mom as well.
I have 2 kids, yeah. My son is 14, my daughter is 10. So there is a lot, actually. So I don't know, if you ask me how I manage that, I just love to live my life. Every morning, I'm happy I woke up. So, this is it.
She is not here. This is an AI body with her consciousness uploaded. Because,
special version.
Like, there must be 3 of you.
Are you going to eat that?
Oh, you like that?
He wants more. Every Edge Date guest brings a surprise ingredient. Something they love or something so weird it might throw me completely off. Let's see what Olga has in store for me.
Hi.
Caviar! Of course, caviar. Olga, Russian, caviar for breakfast. Should have seen that coming. Now let's see which knife Olga will select for me to use.
Oh, wow. It's a nice collection. Wow. I like somehow this one. My hands took this one. What do you think about it?
Oh, you got expensive taste.
I knew that.
The profile is a Santoku, which is actually a very versatile blade. So you're not making it difficult for me today. Thank you.
Yes, of course. Not today, in the gym only, okay?
Only in the gym, yes. Olga picked my beautiful Tsukasa Hinoura Santoku, which has a beautiful rainbow Damascus pattern. I actually already did a full review video with this knife. It's one of my early videos. If you want to know all the details about this knife, I will leave a link to that video in the description down below. But let's find out why Olga picked this particular knife.
When we opened the door to that secret room, for me it was like being in a museum, to be honest. So beautiful, so powerful, by the way. But I think why I choose this one, because It's looks like piece of art. If you see it closely here, there is like a painting. I don't know, even Van Gogh style.
You can say it's a painting.
Yeah.
For sure.
A beautiful combination between colors. Yeah. And I thought it's the right size for a hand because I didn't want you to choose this one. I cannot imagine if you cut like this.
Well, my first guest chose a 30 centimeter.
Really?
Yeah. And I had to cut a piece of garlic with that as well, so. I raided my cupboards and fridge to see what I could work with. I decided on a simple breakfast waffle with avocado, salmon, sour cream, and of course the star, caviar. Let's make some batter! For the base I am using a organic ready-made pancake mix. I'm going to make a bubble waffle and put some sour cream, avocado, salmon sashimi, which probably goes well with the caviar. Breakfast for champions! Or shall I say, champions for breakfasts? But you are here for breakfast. I have a champion for breakfast. We have the batter. What shall I do with the fish?
We're gonna cut it, huh?
Yes. I don't want to eat it completely raw. I want to sear it. Oh wait, there is skin. I actually need and try to fillet this fish with a Santoku. That's not something I do a lot with a Santoku, and that's why I fail. Normally I would use a, of course, slicer for this stuff, but let's see. I need it 3 times to go through. Normally that's a 1 slice action. This is not the knife to do this, people. It works, but not the way I'd like it. I need more length.
Ah, it's short one.
Yeah, now I have to saw through the fish. This fish you want to slice with a long blade.
No, I already feel smell.
Let's make a pancake in the shape of a bubble waffle.
Nice things, by the way. I need to have it in my house, I think. For the kids, it's perfect.
A bubble waffle maker is kind of mandatory when you have kids. I don't even have kids and I have one. The caviar gets its own little plate. A generous dollop of caviar will do. This is breakfast. Ooh, the first waffle is ready. Let's see if I can slice this avocado nicely with this Santoku. I was never a sushi chef, but I think this'll do. Let's see how everything combines on the plate. Some sliced avocado on top of the waffle, adding the seared salmon chunks, a modest dollop of sour cream, and finally, breakfast is served.
Breakfast? There are people starving, and you're out here with caviar. I better check what else this woman is hiding in her bag. Yep, exactly what I thought. Don't mind if I do. Finally, a date who brings snacks for me.
Caviar, Drapa.
Too big for you. Look, hop, 1, 2, 3. Hop. Yeah. It means it's eatable, you know, because if cat eat it, it should be fresh.
And if Drapa dies, we should not eat it.
We wait, huh? For 5 minutes or so.
Okay, Olga, welcome. This is probably the first time ever I've had caviar for breakfast.
Okay. What I see, it's very, very creative. Like a piece of art, I would say, because normally for breakfast we don't use much imagination, we just make it practical. I'm so happy to see I can have that breakfast like a Michelin star restaurant.
It's a little bit too much credit, I think.
Cheers!
Cheers. Mm.
It's nice. I like it. Perfect.
This is breakfast. This is great breakfast. Every Edge Date guest that I'm cooking for gets the same 5 questions fired at them. Here we go. So imagine you have like a, let's say the worst day, and you're also getting hungry, so you're becoming really hangry. What is a type of food or a dish that can make your mood great?
Good question. It's happening, yeah. When I really running home after all that stress from situation somewhere, wherever, of course I would like to have some maybe salad, you know, like I'm just open my fridge and what I see there, usually it's tomato, cucumber, a lot of greens.
All this healthy stuff.
Nuts, beautiful brown bread, could be warm a little bit, and with a butter on it.
If you can only watch one movie for the rest of your life, which one is it?
Only one. Yes, I think I have one. Just a easygoing series. Yeah, it's like a Sex in the City.
That's a series, right? Or,
yeah.
Oh, no.
No, there is a movie. They made movie now.
Yeah.
It's a kind of whole story in one movie.
But is it also, let's say, watchable for a man to watch these movies?
Yeah, that's a kind of humor.
Okay.
In there. So you can try, maybe.
Third question. What is something, it can be an ingredient or it can be a dish or a recipe, whatever. What is something that you think everybody should try at least once in life?
I was thinking. You also was thinking.
No, we don't want to eat cats.
No cat.
No cats.
Did you try some animals?
I eat animals, but not a cat and a dog. I'm a hypocrite like everyone.
I like fruits. So I would really suggest to everyone to try once durian. I love that test and that experience. It was like huge story to try it, you know. Everybody said you have to try, but be careful. And a lot of advices about that fruit, by the way.
Yeah. The flavor, it is something, I actually don't hate it, but I don't love it either. It's so exotic and so distinct in flavor.
And so rich. I like it. I wish I could bring like secret ingredient, one of them for you.
Yeah. Okay, durian, great answer. What is something you really get too excited about?
Traveling. I'm always excited to explore something new country, new culture, like recharge and beautiful emotions. It's like a freedom. The traveling is give you a possibility really to explore more who you are.
Yeah.
Because you are not in a regular situation, you know, not at home because here you are busy with someone else. But when you are really traveling, you open.
The human mind is like a parachute. It only works when it's open.
I love that situation when you meet some people first time and they give you some sentence which you have to hear before.
Traveling is coming home at places where I have never lived.
Ah, yeah. For traveling.
There you go. To travel.
More traveling in our lives.
Last question already.
Oh, okay.
If you imagine yourself to be a food, what would it be?
Oh,
Yeah.
good question. For sure, I would be some fruit.
After all the other answers of today, it doesn't surprise me. But I don't think you are durian.
I'm not. I'm not. I hope so. This can be also salad. Beautiful salad, you know. It's like flowers. If I would choose fruit, I think I would prefer apple.
They can be sour, they can be sweet,
Yeah.
they can be very juicy, they can be dry.
The apple I like, it's a pinko. It's a
Pink lady?
pink lady.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah,
pink and juicy, you know, very rich.
A little bit
Yes.
sweet.
So I have to be pink lady apple.
Pink lady apple. Nice.
I think it's good. And also I just came and I see a lot of beautiful paintings and some writings from you. It's Very motivating, by the way, and smart and wise, messages.
On paper, I'm actually a master of design. So I am a
Oh.
product designer.
Okay.
And I've been working in marketing for 7 years afterwards, mainly as a copywriter. So I have a knack for words. I really love wordplay. I love how words, if you play with words in the right way, one sentence can say 1,000 words.
Absolutely, absolutely, yeah.
So that's how I got into writing stuff like
Yeah.
this. I just wanted to organize my thoughts.
For example, I just see here, and I could just read the interesting one. The more we have, the less we own. This is so wisdom for
Yeah.
me.
That's rich. Coming from a brosan who owns 70 plus knives.
I really remember who I was back then, and that was just a poor struggling artist. Like
You were finding yourself, I think, on
Exactly.
the way to meet yourself.
if you are a creative human being, you have to find a way to materialize your creativity. And that I can do now as a chef. I can create a song or write music. As long as you are creative, develop skills to
Yeah.
materialize it, you can do something. And all these things that I was writing was back in the days where I didn't find a way to materialize my creativity yet, except just writing down stuff.
I just want to say the food is also art.
Food can be art, but mostly I think it's just basic needs and nutrition, and it can be nurturing and comfort. It has many functions in life.
We all need food.
Yes, and I prefer good food.
That's true.
Good food and good conversation.
But I'm so happy I'm here. I have explored more about me, actually.
Yeah.
That questions were very good. And I also noticed now I know more about you,
Yeah.
which is also very nice.
Thanks for watching this video and making it this far. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below.
Don't hit the like and subscribe button, nor the notification bell, and don't even think of becoming a member. It will only encourage him to continue making content for this channel. That's not what the internet needs.
Until sooner than later.
Bye, humans. Try not to cut yourselves.
Chef in the end.